Let's see in these problems. Here, given one matrix, the 2 by 2 matrix, given A, and also asking what is the determinant of A square minus 2A. Means indirectly you have to find A square first. Then you have to subtract 2A from A square. Then you will get one matrix. That determinant is asking. See here, finding A square, after finding A square you have to find 2A, that is you have to multiply A with 2, then you have to subtract 2 matrices, then you will get answer. This is the procedure. But I am giving one equation. Equation means always two expression equality. That's equal to 0. I am defining one equation for matrix of order 2. I am giving one equation by using that. Indirectly it is satisfied for each and every 2 by 2 matrix. I am giving for equation for 2 by 2 matrix. That is simply A square. First of all you have to write here plus, then after minus. Here I am taking something into A power. It is 2 by 2 matrix, that's why I taken from A square. The power is going to be 2. After 2 you got power 1 plus something into I of order 2 equal to null matrix. We are giving indirectly equation is nothing but equality to. Here whatever the values we are going to substitute based upon that values, we simplify this expression. It's going to be equal to null matrix. You see what is the expression here means indirectly trace of this matrix. Here if you substitute here determinant of a matrix, that is A square minus trace of A into A plus determinant of A into I of order 2 always is going to be null matrix. See here what is the trace for this 2 by 2 matrix? Indirectly addition of already we said trace is nothing but summation of principal diagonal elements. What are the principal diagonal elements are here? 1 and 1. If you add both you are going to get 2. Here determinant means for 2 by 2 matrix is what? AD minus BC, that is 1 minus 6 is nothing but minus 5. If you substitute here this is going to be trace. This is going to be determinant. If we substitute here, that is A square minus 2A minus 5I of order 2 equal to null matrix. Here see, we got this equation, that is A square minus 2A. If you write here A square minus 2A, if you take this minus 5I of order 2, if you take this side, it's going to be plus I of order 2. Okay, let's see here we want a determinant of A square minus 2A, that is a determinant of 5 into order I of order 2. That is nothing but always a determinant of K of A order of n by n is nothing but K power n into determinant of A. This n is nothing but order of the matrix. Here I of order 2 is there, that's why that is going to be 5 square into determinant of I. I is nothing but identity matrix. Determinant of identity matrix always is going to be 1. 5 square is nothing but 25. 25 into 1 is nothing but simply 25. The answer is going to be 25. Sometimes here see 5 I determinant 5 తీసుకున్నట్టు first option exist అయింది, but that is not going to be your answer. Always you have to remember this statement. Indirectly this is the property already, that is determinant of K A, that is A is of order n by n. The answer is going to be K power n into determinant. If you know determinant of A, we can say determinant of Ka, the meaning of this property. See same thing here one more problem. Once again this is also of order 2 by 2 order. Once again I am writing this equation. That is equation is going to be what? A square minus trace of A into A plus determinant of A into I. That's I am writing indirectly here 2 by 2 matrix. That's why we are writing with A square minus here something into A plus something into I of order 2 equal to null matrix. In the something we have to substitute here in place of trace. Here we have to substitute trace. Here you have to substitute determinant. I am writing a trace here. What is the trace of this matrix? This is going to be 5. Here determinant is nothing but 4 minus 9. 4 1 4 4 minus 3 3 is a 9, 4 minus 9 is nothing but minus 5. That is going to be a square minus 5a minus 5i order 2 equal to 0. If you compare this equation with this one, in place of k, what we are having? In place of k, simply we are going to have 5. Or if you want to find by the procedure indirectly, you have to find a square matrix, then you have to write ka, you have to multiply each and every element with k, then you will get k, 3k, 3k, 4k, next 5 of order 2. Of order 2 is nothing but 1001. If you multiply with 5, 5005, then you have to substitute in the equation. Then if you find, you are going to get an answer. I am writing here, see, just I am cross checking that equation, just follow me, right? I am writing a square directly, that is first row with first column, you will get first element 1 into 1, 1 plus 3 into 3, 9, 1 plus 9 is nothing but 10. Then second element, first row with second column, first row with second column, 1 into 3, 3, 3 into 4, 12, 3 plus 12 is nothing but 15. Next, second row with first column, you will get second row first column element, that is 3 into 1, 3, 4 into 3, 12, 3 plus 12, that is nothing but 15. Once again, here if you multiply, here indirectly second row with second column, 3 into 3, 9, plus 4 into 4 of 16, 9 plus 16 is nothing but 25. Here this is a square minus ka, k is nothing but k, 3k, 3k, nothing but 4k. Ka, this is a minus 5 order 2, that is a 5005 equal to what? Null matrix is nothing but simply that is a 0 0 0 0. Here you have to write an equation to have k here, to get the value of k. Why we want a k value indirectly this element. If you write first element here, that is going to be 10 minus k minus 5, then you will get equal to 0, then you will get answer, that is a 10 minus k minus 5 equal to 0. Indirectly that is going to be, here 10 minus 5 is nothing but 5, 10 minus 5 is 5, that is simply plus 5. If you take k this side, from here k equal to 5. If you simplify this equation once again, here also you got k value is going to be 5. Same k value place la 5 substitution, ade answer vastadi. Same, if you take second element also, that is 15 minus 3k minus 0, 3k equal to 15, k equal to 5. If you write this one also, 15 minus 3k minus 0, once again 3k equal to 15, k equal to 5. If you write this one, 25 minus 4k minus 5, 25 minus 5, 20, indirectly 20, 4k equal to 20, k equal to 20 by 4, once again there also you will get k equal to 5. By we are not doing this procedure simply by using our equation, this equation for 2 by 2 matrix, we are getting answer. You have to remember this equation, what is that? A square minus trace of a into a plus determinant of a into I of order 2 always is going to be null matrix. For 2 by 2 we defined same as we will define for 3 by 3 also, then you will understand what is going to be. Okay, let's see that.